guys, Love here and welcome to another video. So today I wanted to show you guys 5 cool secrets in Animal Jam that you've probably never seen before or heard about before, but don't yell at me in the comments if you know a few of these. So yeah guys, please leave a big thumbs up on this video, subscribe if you're new, and enjoy the video. Bye! So the first secret is that there is a secret tunnel in the new Grimm's Den. I think it's so cool that Animal Jam added this, and I bet a lot of you guys didn't even know that there's a tunnel. So this next secret is actually a secret about an item. This item is the rare salty popcorn. It was recently added to the game as a rare on Monday, and this was told to me by Sethi, who is a Jam ambassador. So basically, Pepper lost a competition and she told AJHQ to make an item inspired by her, and the rare salty popcorn was that item. So this next secret actually requires you to have a coyote. And all you gotta do is put on these sunlight tail ornaments and your colors automatically change to yellow and blue. I think it's really cool. For this next secret, all you need is some sort of flying animal and a Greeleys Hideout den. Now, if you fly to the top left corner of the den, you can actually see Jama Township from the den. And I think that's pretty cool. The last secret is actually a secret room in Peck's den, and this room is kinda spooky. But overall, I do think this room is pretty neat. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and comment down below your favorite secret or a secret that you didn't know about. And if you did know all these secrets, I guess you're a pro AJ player. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, I love you so much. Bye guys!